Now that's cute. Passing on a double yellow line. That's cute.
Do-da, do-da.
Nice stop. Hey, is there a stop sign there? Well, there's an octagon sign. I'm not sure if it says stop on the other side.
Do-da, do-da. Oh, do-da day. Do-da, do-da. Oh, do-da day. Do-da, do-da. Oh, do-da day. Nice mannered kid, just a little on the dumb side. She reminds me of Paul Revere's ride. A little light in the belfry. Look, sister, is any of this filtering through that little blue bonnet of yours? Nice girl, but about as sharp as a sack of wet mice. Nutty as a fruitcake.
You both go down there and run into each other. Take each other out right now.